Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna go over some more time sauce with you guys. Let's get straight to it. So this morning I shared Solana right at 6:59 for me PST. So let me show you guys right quick. Okay, so you guys see here Solana. Look at the time. Okay, 6:57. Okay, that's right before the third 90 opens. Okay, meaning that's right before this time. So right when I said it, now you can go. You guys can go into the lower time frame and you can see. I said it literally right here, okay? Quite literally, a couple minutes before. You know what I'm saying? So 9:56 for, your Eastern time, right? But for me, it's PST, so right there for me is 6 o'clock, 6:56. So right there, you guys can see I called it out in the chat, Bera, Hype, XLP, XPL, and Sol, right? To watch that for third 90 longs. And you guys can see time hits, right? Third 90 comes in, boom, time hits. And you guys can see, man. Come on now. And look at this thing. Look at this thing. Exactly for 90 minutes we're running. Okay, that's one 90-minute candle. You guys can see. Boom. And that's your time and price alignment right on the third 90-minute candle inside of the third 6-hour candle in the morning. Right? And also, what was that entry model that I teach you guys? Previous lick retest. You have a low that gets liquidated. So again, that's your previous liquidated level, right? And you guys can see every candle that's going below is just a wick, right? No candle closing plus a gap down. Again, that's what invalidates the previous lick, right? But what validates it is what? That we're not able to fair value lower equals what? We're seeing absorption, right? And what? New imbalances forming, right? That you cannot see in the regular chart. But again, if you start to understand and study order flow with time, you will start to understand why it's doing this wiki motion. It's being absorbed. This selling pressure is being absorbed. It's being absorbed. It's being absorbed. At the same time, new bullish imbalances are being created. Okay? And again, right with that, what are you getting? What are you getting? You're getting the time shift. That's the key point. Order flow plus time shift, right? So now look at it at like 5 minutes, okay? Easier to read. And at the same time, right? Let's go like, 6 minutes, see. Okay. Boom. At the same time, right? As we're sweeping that low just before. So this is your first 90 minute, second 90 minute. So that's your open low. So let me go back to show you guys to make it a little easier for you guys. Okay, but let's just go over this first. So, but either way, when we swept that low and not gap down, right on the second 90 fractal, what is that? First 90, second 90, third 90. That's your open low. You see what I'm saying? But it's timed. It's not just open low because of price. It's open low because of time. First 90 minute, second 90 minute taking out the lows, not gapping lower. At the same time, you guys can see it in our easy oscillator, bullish divergence coming in, right? With the new buy dots. All at the same time, just before the third 90 kicks in. And that's when I have shared, watch the third 90 on the chat, right? Look at Solana. And then now, if you want to study the formation of it, use this indicator, right? This is really good for understanding formation of time. Okay, so then I would put it on 6 hours, right? Then again, what can you see now? This is what I mean. We're still in this 6-hour candle. So look, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Understand the formation. This is what I was showing you guys on the lower time frame here, right? Open, low, but it's time based. It's not just price chopping. It's not just accumulation manipulation, like some basic ICT shit. You know what I'm saying? It's precisely time. Okay, it's your open low. Okay, open low. First 90 minutes, second 90 minutes, third 90 minute, and you're getting your expansion right off the third 90. Right? So that's how I can always find these precise time-based entry with multiple confluences right before things expand. So it's not luck. It's purely not luck. It's not coincidence, right? And again, same thing. I'll show you guys. When we did that lick, right? When we did that lick last week, again, what did I share with you guys? Right? First 90, second 90, third 90. Again, same thing. Your first 90 open, second 90 lick, third 90 expansion. Same thing. Right? So you guys need to understand what type of entries are being made right before shifting into a time fractal. And again, you guys see here, what is that? That's your now daily open, right? That was your 6 hour open, but over here now is your now daily open. So you guys need to understand all these type of formations, right? Understand where you are time wise, right? And why we're making that. So again, exactly like I said, that's your daily open. It's your first 6 hour candle. And you guys can even see what happens. Daily opens and what actually happens on that third 90. We sweep the daily opens low, meaning we're sweeping the first 6 hour candle low precisely, right? Not gapping lower, giving bullish divergence all at the same time, like I said, right before shifting into time. That's my trigger. No gap down, it's hitting the time based level, and we're not able to fair value lower. It's being absorbed. Again, right before time shifts. That's the key. Not anywhere, right? Not anywhere, but right before the time shifts, after these time base highs and lows are being taken out. And you can see from this point, where does my target become? The first 6 hour candle high will be your, smaller time frame, your scalpers or whatever. That will be your first TP, and you could be done for the day. If you're risking heavy, and if you're out, that's already 5R. You're risking below this low, that's 5R, right? But either way, within my understanding, you would be trading the full 90-minute candle, right? Like here. And you have your targets here and here, right? And then just to show you guys again, I don't just share trades with you guys. I always take the trades and I always show you guys the trades that I have taken. So also I've taken that trade today, right? So it's not just, you know what I'm saying? I'm still holding my Pengu swing that I showed you guys from last week, right? And just off of those, I'm already up 53% on the day on my whole port. So you guys see what I'm saying? Small, risking small and gaining big. Just because I understand how to time it perfectly. But anyways, if you guys have more questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure to give me a follow. And then I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.